Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Loaded with features. Features also include steering wheel controls, cooled seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof, third row seating. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2017 Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort. It offers more interior room than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, power passenger seat, traction control, keyless entry, power lift gate, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, remote engine start, power sunroof, backup camera. Come see the car for yourself.